What's one of the most common questions that we get from customers?
People want to know why we're different than an auto parts store doing a code scan, or why we're better than the dealership.
Team Ryan Automotive, your experts in quality.
Auto parts stores are really good at selling parts, not so good at diagnosing vehicles. That free code scan that a lot of those guys offer is helpful, but it's never conclusive. A code scan is a very small part of the strategy-based diagnostics that we employ here at Team Ryan.
And here's why Team Ryan Automotive is better than a dealership.
Dealerships no longer provide the best service. Out-of-date equipment and the squeeze for higher profit margins have left them in a position where they're over-promising and under-delivering. Both you and their employees are just a number. I worked in a dealership. I wanted to see things done differently. That's why we started Team Ryan Automotive.
People spend a lot of time researching to buy a car, but they don't often spend much time figuring out the best facility to repair and service their vehicle. Your car or truck is not only typically the second most expensive thing that you've ever purchased, but it's also what's responsible for keeping you safe on the road, keeping your life intact.
Team Ryan Automotive, your experts in quality.